Hello guys, this is Vikram and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are enjoying our various tutorial series on DevOps tools like Kubernetes and Docker. Today we are coming up with a new video series on service mesh using Istio. This is going to be an in-depth series where we explore various Istio's features and see how Istio solves major issues inside the microservices architecture, like finding the successful and failed requests between the microservices and finding which all connections are taking longer times than expected, which in turn are delaying the responses to the upstream microservices. And along with this, we'll also see various other Istio's features in depth. So this is the agenda for the complete Istio tutorial. We'll start off with Istio Architecture, where we'll see various components involved inside the Istio architecture. Then we'll move on to installation of Istio using istioctl and k8 YAML files. Istioctl is a command line utility to talk to the Istio. And then we'll see various versions of the Istio and how Istio evolved over the period of time. Then we'll find out how to enable Istio and various other add-ons in the Minikube. We have designed three microservices for this demo, all based out of Python Flask. Then we'll see what are various components inside the Istio architecture, like the control plane and the data plane. Then we'll see various dashboards supported inside Istio, which are Kiali, Jaeger, Prometheus, and Grafana. Then we'll understand what is distributed tracing and how Jaeger UI displays the complete trace of your microservices based application right from the first microservices to the last microservice. Then we'll see why propagating headers are pretty much needed for the distributed tracing to work properly. Then finally we'll move on to traffic management, where we'll deploy different versions of the application and control the traffic to that application. Let's say we have two versions of the application like v1 and v2. Using canary based deployments, we'll see how to do weighted traffic routing for both the versions. And then we'll move on to major components of Istio, which are virtual services and the destination rules, along with the gateways and routes. Then we'll do dark releases, and we'll also inject some HTTP faults. Let's say we want to test your application by injecting faults. Using HTTP fault injection, we can test the microservices, how these are responding to various fault injections. And we'll also try to delay the requests using the same virtual service and the destination rules. Then we'll see timeouts and circuit breakers, where the delayed requests or the timeouts results in breaking the connection between the two microservices. Then we'll move on to enabling the mutual TLS communication between the various microservices, and we'll find out what are the methods supported inside the Istio for enabling and disabling the mutual TLS. And finally, we'll close the session with the Prometheus and Grafana user interface. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our Facebook group. The links are given in the description below. You can also scan the QR code being shown on the video to directly point to the YouTube channel and Facebook group. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.